Hey, welcome back, class 8 of our series together. We've been talking a lot about self-management, self-care, and the ability to self-regulate. In today's class, we're going to take a peek at how yoga relaxation can also help us to self-regulate. As always, let's get started with our breathing exercise. For today, we're going to do sounding breath. So wrapping your hands around your ears, I want you to really observe, what do you hear? What does it sound like as we breathe? Your choice, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, or in through the nose and out through the nose. Let's get started. Sitting up tall, knees over the ankles. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. What different sounds did you hear? Share. I want to get started with the question, why is relaxation important? The next question I have is, how can we use relaxation as a way to self-regulate? I always love to use the example of when I was younger, people used to say to me like, calm down, or calm your body, or be quiet. And I used to think to myself, what do they mean? And now that I'm older, I've come to realize that it's really helpful if we learn how to calm our bodies or to be quiet. And relaxation is a really good way to help us learn how to do that. We're so busy all day long doing, that it's really easy to be loud and to be boisterous, but learning to calm ourselves can be hard. So in today's yoga class, we're going to explore poses, activities, and a relaxation that can help you to learn how to calm your body. Let's go ahead and get started. Knees over the ankles, touch your shoulders, touch your ears, bring your hands to the side of your body. Breathing in, lift your shoulders up to your ears. Breathing out, roll your shoulders on your back. Again, breathing in, lift your shoulders up. Breathing out, roll them on your back. One more time, big breath in. Big breath out. Very good. Shoulder shrugs next. Use your breath to move your body. Big breath in. Big breath out. Big breath in. Big breath out. Very nice. Eagle hug next. Inhale, stretch out those eagle arms. Exhale, wrap your arms one side over the other. Big hug. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, stretch your arms out. The other way, exhale. Squeeze your body, big breath in. Big breath out. Breathing in, stretch them out. Breathing out, hands back to your knees. Seated twist is next. Breathing in, stretch your arms out. Breathing out, take your left hand to your right knee. Your right hand behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Stretch your arms up. Now take your right hand to your left knee and your left hand behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Stretch your hands up. Exhale, bring your hands to your knees. Rainbow spine is next, making the arch or the arc-like shape with your spine. Breathe in, draw your shoulder blades together, gaze up. Breathe out, round your spine. 2, breathe in, shoulder blades together, gaze up. Breathe out, round your spine. One more time. Breathe in, shoulder blades together, gaze up. Breathe out, round your spine. Very good. Sitting up tall. calming our bodies with a forward fold. Touch your forearms, touch your thighs. Make sure you have space in front of you. And coming to a forward fold. Letting your head be heavy. You should be able to shake it yes and no. And breathe. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Coming up to a seat, chin to the chest, slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. The head is last. Very good. For our mindful movement activity together, we're going to do something called all good things. So coming up to stand, I'm first going to show you the movement we will do with our body. I then will share with you the movement in the words, and you will repeat after me with each sentence that I say. So what we will do is we will start with the movement of our hands up, wiggling our fingers, bending our knees, touching our fingers to the floor. Then we will touch our toes, drag our fingers along our body, coming all the way up and overhead. And then we will let our arms surround us. Okay? So moving your body and repeating after me. All good things rain down on me. Your turn. My turn. All good things grow up through me. Your turn. My turn. All good things surround me. Your turn. Very good. So let's do it all together. All good things rain down on me. All good things grow up through me. All good things surround me. Very good. Coming back to a seat. And for today's relaxation, we are going to practice silence and stillness. So becoming as calm, as quiet, as still as you can possibly become. And I'm going to turn on the clock for 1 minute of clock time. See if you can just let your focus be on your breath and being as calm, as quiet, still as you can make your body become. If you want to sit back and do your constructive rest, you can. Hands on your knees. Your eyes can be open. Your eyes can be closed. Whatever best for you. Go ahead. Good job. Let's go ahead, wiggle our toes, wiggle our fingers. And we're gonna join all together back seated in our seats with our knees over our ankles, sitting up tall in our body. And let's complete with sunshine arms, ocean breath. Hand to the side of your body. Take a deep breath in. Big ocean breath out. Fantastic. I look forward to having you with me in our next class. Practical applications in the classroom. Practice relaxation after lunch and recess time and ask students to describe how they feel before relaxation and then after relaxation.